Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log into MetaMask wallet. To log into existing MetaMask wallet application, first of all, make sure that to open up the MetaMask wallet app. Now whenever you force close your app or log out of your account, you'll need to enter your password for your wallet. If you don't remember the password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you do remember, you can type it down in the text box correctly. After you are done, click on Unlock and you will then be able to log into your existing MetaMask wallet. So that's it. Now you're safely logged into your MetaMask wallet and ready to explore the world of crypto. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.